So, Charlamagne, what you think of Mace? And Mace that announced that he's giving up preaching, giving up being a pastor, and decided to go to rap. So, what you think of that? And then Mace announced that he's giving up. Like, I really want Mace just to give up, period. Like, he's too much of a hypocrite. Very a hypocrite. Like, come on, man. He's been a hypocrite since he's been retiring from rap, and now he's going back to the prison, and now he goes rap again. Like, come on, man. Come on, man. I used to look up to Mace, like Bad Boys Records, but you know what I'm saying, Puffy and all of them. Man, you're just full of it. You out there, you got people following you and all that type of crap. Like, come on, man. You give it up for yourself, man. And now, like the last album, the Welcome Back, that song was popping with making the comeback. I appreciate what he did, but now G-Unit, you become a Murder Mace. Like that right there is confusing me. Like you can't be Pastor Mace by day and be Murder Mace by night. That is not what it goes. But I mean, come on, Vlad. You see what he doing? He's full of it. You know. I don't think it got nothing to do with the voice. I just he's full of it because you got people who follow him is just not believing him at all because he's just down now. They found out that he's full of it. So he's full of shit. So I mean, you know, because I mean, not necessarily him being a Christian rapper. Like, come on, like he could be the biggest Christian rapper of all times, without question. But no, he didn't want to do that. Come on, man. Like Vlad, Mace, man. Like when I think of Mace, they know it's him from the Murder Mace. We all know that. And now, like you into church and now you become a pastor and you want to do like serious rhymes with his razor. I was like, okay, and now you flip what you got with G in it. And I was like, oh man, he's flirting with being a Murder Mace. Like that is not cool, Mace. That is not really cool at all, man. You need to give up, period, Mace. You really need to give up. And it's not really cool because you want to do things your way. So, and you just announced that you really need to give up. Like, come on, man. You got Bishop Eddie Long, TD Jakes. Them dudes is balling. They are really balling. Like, you probably would have made more money than the church. You know that. Like, that's my responses to the mate this thing. But, Vlad, I really appreciate you, you know what I'm saying, coming through, you know. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate it, man. You my dog, man. You my dude, man. That's my guy right there. Vlad TV, that's my guy right there. I really appreciate you. I love you. You know that's for sure, man. Thank you. Thank you.